Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will walk you through the process of replacing the hard drive flex in the HP 15fq4030ns laptop. This repair can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you'll be able to do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge that could harm your laptop components. Now, let's begin by turning off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's essential to ensure that there's no power running through the device before you start disassembly. Next, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Make sure to keep these screws organized, perhaps using a magnetic tray, as they can be easy to lose. There may be 5 or 6 screws, so be thorough in this step. Once the screws are out, carefully use your plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Start from one corner and gently work your way around the edge. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this can damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you should see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to clean the internal area with compressed air. Dust and debris can accumulate, affecting performance, so regular cleaning is beneficial. Now, locate the hard drive flex cable. It's typically connected to the hard drive and the motherboard. You will need to unscrew the hard drive from its bay. Again, ensure you're keeping track of the screws. Once the screws are removed, gently disconnect the flex cable from both the hard drive and the motherboard. If you find this process challenging or don't have the right tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our services include pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about traveling back and forth. Now, it's time to install the new hard drive flex. Connect the new flex cable to the hard drive first, then to the motherboard. Make sure it's secure but avoid forcing any connections, as this can lead to damage. Rescrew the hard drive back into its bay, ensuring it fits snugly. Before replacing the back panel, it's a good idea to power on the laptop to check that everything is functioning correctly. This will save you time in case something isn't connected properly. Assuming everything is in order, turn off the laptop again and replace the back panel. Make sure all clips are secured, and then screw it back into place. Finally, if you're not confident about completing this repair or would prefer to leave it to professionals, keep in mind that we offer a quote before repair. This way, you'll know the cost up front, and with our no calls, no travel service, we'll take care of everything for you. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the hard drive flex in your HP 15fq4030ns. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech repair tutorials. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.